What exactly is TCAP?
Teoler Career Aptitude test is a test that has been designed to facilitate students in grade 8 and grade 10 choose potentially the right subjects in grade 9 and 11, which could help them better prepare for a specific career stream. So it's a very holistic, encompassing test which takes care of their scholastic aptitude, understands their personality, identifies the work interest type, and then tries to do a match with the opportunity set which is available in the Indian context. So to summarize, it's a tool to help students choose the right subjects and right career options.